Today, guys, I'm going to show you the new 40 Super Series graphics cards and give you a little bit more information and specs on them. Howdy, howdy. My name is Timothy here with Serious Power PC, and today I want to show you guys and tell you guys a little bit more about these brand new 40 Super Series graphics cards. This line of cards was announced at CES recently, and they're about to hit the market very, very soon. So I'm going to give you all a little bit of information about them. Let's get straight into this. For starters, these cards will start at $599, and they will have increased performance over their standard counterparts by pretty decent numbers. They'll also have increased generative AI capabilities, quite a bit more than their standard counterparts. So to start off here, I'm going to take the 4080 Super and compare some of the basic statistics to just a standard 4080. The standard 4080 graphics card has a base clock of 2,205 megahertz and a boost clock of 2,510 megahertz, whereas the 4080 Super has a base of 2,295 megahertz and a boost clock of 2,550 megahertz. Both of these cards have 16 gigabytes of GDDR6X VRAM. However, the price is where these cards seem to really differentiate themselves from one another. Because while the RTX 4080 card normally goes for an MSRP of $1,199, the 4080 Super starts at $999, a whole $200 less than the standard RTX 4080. We're talking about not insane leaps over. I mean, the RTX 4080 Super is better in terms of performance than the RTX 4080 by not leaps and bounds necessarily, but it is better for less money. It's going to be a better gaming and AI experience overall for even less. These new cards can handle 4K gaming with ease, and they also make generative AI much, much better. Now, I'm no AI expert. I've dabbled with AI a little bit here and there, but I'm not super familiar with the hardware side of AI. But according to NVIDIA's article on the new cards launching, the 4080 Super will come with 836 AI TOPS. TOPS just stands for trillions or tera operations per second, which is just a measurement of how many computing operations the AI chip can handle in one singular second. If you want to pick up one of these cards or just learn more about the card, get a bit more in-depth information, you can head over to NVIDIA's website. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to check that out. I believe that the 4070 Supers are already out and being distributed, and the 4080 Supers should be coming sometime more towards the end of January. I'm really excited for these cards. I am a big fan of when these tech companies will essentially bring the price of something down and make it just as good, if not even better. I was just really pleased overall that they were able to make a card even better than the 4080, than the 4070, make it better and also drop the price of it. I'm very pleased that NVIDIA was able to do that. Anyways, guys, I hope you were able to learn something from this video. My name is Timothy here with Serious Power PC, and be sure to let us know in the comments down below or via message whether or not you want to see more videos like this, breaking down new components, new industry leads, new things like that. Just let us know. I hope to see you guys next Saturday for another video. I'll talk to you then.